Hey, what's up, Algebra 2 class? Just a little video today to let you know what's going on this week. You only have a couple weeks left of school, so take advantage of this and learn as much as you can. Be positive and be creative, and hopefully you're getting some work done. Today we're going to do, and this week we're going to do 2-3, which is linear functions, then 2-4, which is more about linear functions, then Friday will be a quiz. So Monday, you'll watch this video, watch Khan Academy video. Tuesday, you'll do the homework. Wednesday, watch another video. Thursday, do the homework. And Friday, take a fun quiz like last week. I'm just giving you grades, getting you to review stuff before you go to the next level of your life. So bear with me in the review process. Hopefully this isn't too stressful for you. If it is, email me. Say, Mr. Weckesser, I need some help. I need some cutbacks. I need some accommodations, and I will slow it down for you. This is not supposed to be stressful. I'm going to give you credit as long as you do the work and show me that you care a little bit. Okay? So today is 2-3, and it's more about linear functions, right? Remember, a linear function is a straight line. And we did absolute value functions. We did a couple other lines that were not straight during this year, and parabolas, things like that. It kind of slipped my mind for a second there. So, but these are linear, which means line, which means straight. So we're looking at a straight line. And if you remember the formula we used a long, long time ago, top of your page here is y equals mx plus b, where the slope is the m, right? And the b is the y-intercept. And we graphed. You've been doing that since like 6th grade, graphing using y equals mx plus b. So it shouldn't be that hard. Today they're going to give you, right, down here, they're going to give you what the slope is, and they're going to give you a line on the graph with two points, which is a dot on the graph or a plot. So what I want you to do, and I'll go over these, I want you to do, hopefully, there's 15 on this front page. Only do the front page. Don't do the back page. I want you to do 5 of the questions. Choose any 5. I have done the first 5 for you, and I'll show you how to do those. So you can do those 5, or you can do harder 5, or medium 5, probably the middle 5. It's up to you. So I don't really care. I just want you to get 5 done and show me that you understand the concept. So number 1, you have y equals, or m equals 4 and contains 3, 2. So what you're going to do, you can see this real quick here, is you're going to put in, for the line, the y is 2, the slope is 4 times 3 plus b. Let me show you a different piece of paper so it's a little easier for you guys. I'm going to rewrite the formula, and below the formula, I'll put in the plots. It's a lot easier if you see the formula first. And I always showed it to you on the board this way. And some of you guys took shortcuts, and that's okay. But some of you guys need the extra practice and to see it visually. And I'm kind of that way too. I like to see it visually. So I'm going to rewrite this. And it's a 5-step problem. So it might have extra work or whatever, but you just want to do 5 of these. You can show it in the back, show it in a piece of loose leaf, whatever. Take a picture, send it to me. Send me an email with the answers. I don't care. But here's number 1. So we have the formula y equals mx plus b. Underneath it, you're going to put in 2 for the y, 4 for the slope, 3 for the x, plus b. So you're going to solve for b basically first. Once you solve for b, you're going to plug in the slope and the b back in to the formula. So 2 equals 4 times 3 plus b. 2 equals 12 plus b. Subtract 12 from each side. Negative 10 equals b. So you're going to rewrite the formula. Y equals 4x minus 10. Not too crazy difficult, but it is a abstract thinking a little bit, 3 to 4 steps here. So you might be a little confused at home. So if you have questions, please email me at any time. Number 2, you have 7 as your y equals your slope of negative 2 times your 4 plus your b. It's going to look like this, number 2. Here it is right here. So negative 2 times 4 is 8. So you have 7 equaling negative 8 plus b. Add 8 to each side. You have 15 equals b. Now you're going to plug everything back into the equation. So y equals your slope, and they give you your slope as negative 2x plus 15. So there is my work. You can pause this at any time at home and see my work and show me that work right there. This is just review. And again, this should help you review the concepts we learned this year and get you ready for the next stage of your life. Let's do number 3. And number 3 is an interesting one. I just did this before. I'm going to rewrite it so you can see the whole work. Y equals mx plus b is our formula. Write that first. Underneath it, plug in those zeros. There's a lot of zeros there. So your y is a 0. So 0 equals the slope of 0 times 3 plus b. Crazy problem here, I know. Number 3 is in the bottom there. See right there, it's number 3. So what's 3 times 0 is 0. So we have 0 equals 0 plus b. So b equals 0. 0 equals b. Same jibber jabber. And our slope is 0. Right? So we're going to rewrite this. Y equals 0 slope, right? Times 3 plus 0, like that. So 0 times 3 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So y equals 0. Craziness, if you ask me. That's it. That's number 3. Number 4 and 5 I did for you. And I will write those equations real quick. So you have negative 2 is your y, your slope is negative 1, and your x is negative 5 for number 4. Here's number 4 up there, top here in the corner up here. Negative 2 equals negative 1 times negative 5 is plus b. So negative 2 equals 5 plus b, subtract 5, you have negative 7 equals b. Plug everything in. Y then equals, right here, negative 1x minus 7. And you can simplify that because you don't need that negative 1. You can just put negative x minus 7. And that's okay. Either or is fine. Last one I'm going to show you today is the 5th one. You have the slope of 3. And you have, here's right here. Sorry, my hand's a little dirty. I was doing some gardening this morning. So you have the slope of negative 3. Your y is negative 4. Your x is negative 2 plus b. Solve it. You have negative 4 equals negative 6 plus b. Add 6 to each side. You have 2 equals b. Plug your slope back in of 3x plus your b you just found. You have 2. So you have y equals 3x plus b. 3x plus 2. Any questions, email me. But that's it, guys. Just do 5 questions. I'm not going to make it that difficult. The second page does have some graphing of the equations, and you need to solve for the graphing. You don't have to do that. Just do 5. That's it. Solve them. Send them to me. Show me you know how to do this. So next year, you can use these skills to be successful in the real world. Peace. See you.